At Durack, our commitment to harnessing the power of AI and automation drives the efficiency and effectiveness of our operations. By leveraging cutting-edge technology, we ensure exceptional outcomes for our clients, our team, and the communities we serve, both now and in the future. We've cut through the hype surrounding AI to uncover practical applications that enhance efficiency at every level: personal, project, and organisational. At the personal level, we conduct workshops that explore evolving uses of AI, empowering our team to excel in their daily tasks and achieve their goals. At the project level, AI and automation streamline data processing, enabling instantaneous information transfer from the field to decision makers at all levels. This responsiveness allows us to proactively address risks and seize opportunities while efficiently planning, organising, and communicating. At the organisational level, we're gearing our systems to cleanse and capture data centrally. This will best position us to leverage new AI capabilities as they rapidly evolve. Durack holds a unique advantage in AI integration. Older companies often find themselves entrenched in legacy technology and software, hindering their ability to fully embrace AI opportunities. On the other hand, newer companies may lack the track record and extensive portfolio of projects that Durack boasts. By staying agile and innovative, we position ourselves at the forefront of the AI revolution, ready to deliver exceptional results for our clients, our team, and our communities.